Hello, this is the continuation of the Noble Brothers expedition, and we are now going down, 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 low, 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 low. As you have seen, there's slow down. That means we're going down slowly.
Oh, it looks good.
Look, behold,
Holy cow!
why?
Looks so nice.
What?
This is the new construction of these things. I think because of the Sendong. As I said, after the damage is what do you call that? It's the emergence of something beautiful, something like this. This is the mountains of Palampino, and on our right is a waterfall.
That's a hot waterfall.
Yeah,
Is it hot?
it's not. It's a cold waterfall, and yeah, it looks like this early in the morning, and the sun is a little bit hot, but the environment is cold, which is nice.
Yeah, this, I'm the sun and he's the environment.
Yeah, and there's another waterfall here. These waterfalls, I believe, were not here before Sendong. They just emerged after Sendong. I don't know why, but it's a nice thing that it happened.
That's a goat?
Yeah, I think it's a goat also.
I'm a kid. He's the goat.
Okay. We're kids. Oh, should we tell our age?
Yeah, I'm 16 years old.
And I'm 15 years old.
How old are you?
I think
Huh?
15 na lang.
What?
Ah, wait.
Yeah, later.
Never mind our age, anyway. You can see smoke here because
Slowly. That's hot.
under these mountains are hot, are lava, I think, or it's maybe this is a volcano or something. That's
Where
why.
they get the thermal energy.
Yeah, that's right. Steam is coming out because underneath these mountains is hot lava, or I don't know, hot water. But we're going to the hot spring. As the name itself, it's hot. That's why it's hot spring. Everything's looking good after Sendong, and this is the road going to
Ulaanbaatar?
Ulaanbaatar Falls. The bridge is destroyed, but I think they're constructing
And
it.
as you can see, the bato are pula. It's Ulaanbaatar.
Oh, it looks good. Yeah, speak, dog.
Dog dog. Say dog dog. Dog dog.
Holy cow. These are the residents here, students, high school students maybe, and somehow houses. Tambay, Barkada. They have altar like what Adam did. Adam and Eve did.